So today we're going to be doing products under 1,000 rupees, and these products are so worth it. Some of the products are also under 500. So I'm very excited for today's video. So let's quickly get started. The first product is this one right here, and this is the Dr. Sheth's Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. I really love this product because it is very calming for the skin. It really helps to heal the skin. I actually use this in the morning sometimes and also use this at night because it's a sleeping mask, so it has to be actually used at night. But मुझे morning में भी use करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है because it's summer and it is so much humid, so I really like to use it in the morning because इसमें हल्दी है तो ये really heal करता है आपके skin को और बहुत ही ज़्यादा काम रखता है. द मोमेंट यू अप्लाई इट, you actually feel that your skin has just calmed down. If you have like very sensitive or irritated skin, you can actually get your hands on this. This is such a wonderful product. Just to give you a brief, this has 0.5% of hyaluronic acid, which actually helps to give you that nice plump look. And then you have 1% ceramide complex, then you have 2% squalene, and you also have turmeric oil. And it really helps if you put this at night, and you will definitely get up with a very glowy skin. So I really love it. And all the prices, I'm gonna pop it right here so that you know what the exact price is. And I'm also gonna pop the image of the product and also gonna link everything in the description box so that it is easier for you. And I'm also gonna timestamp each of the products so that you can move to different categories as per your requirements. So yes, that's said, let's move to another product. So the next product I have is by Dr. Sheth again. This is something it looks like, and I love the fact that it has kesar and kojic acid in it. Now I love Dr. Sheth's product only because it's so amazing that they have like curated Ayurveda with modern science. The previous moisturizer that I was speaking to you all about had haldi and hyaluronic acid in it, which is so great in combination. And this one right here has kesar and kojic acid. This actually helps to fade the pigmentation that is there on the face. If you have like an acne and that acne has gone and have left like the scar, it really helps. The kojic acid is really good. I think it is one of the underrated actives, I really believe, because there is so much of hype about niacinamide and vitamin C, that all the other acids that we have in in the market or around us, we kind of underestimated. But kojic acid is so wonderful. I really love kojic acid. Now this has obviously kesar extract, and then it has 1% kojic acid, and it also has alpha arbutin. Now this combination actually helps to fade away the pigments that is there on the face. So I absolutely love it, and the consistency is so beautiful. This will actually suit all skin type, but I'm also going to show you like the consistency right here. If you see, it has like nice jelly like consistency, and it blends so damn beautifully on the skin. So if you see, can you see that nice glowness and that shininess? So it's really blends in the skin very beautifully, and it instantly makes your skin very much calmer. There is something in there that really makes the skin calmer. So I really love the moisturizer I've been using. Like genuinely, I've been using these two like moisturizer morning and night, like the haldi and hyaluronic acid one, and this one, the kesar, and the kojic acid, for a very long time. I always look out for moisturizer, but eventually I end up using these two only because I so love it, and this is very affordable. So if you are someone who is actually looking for very mild, very gentle, yet very, very light moisturizer for summers, you can definitely get your hands on these. Okay, so the next product that I've talked like so much is this one right here. Now, this is the Wish Care 100% pure and natural Kanuj rose water, and this is something it looks like. It's summers. It's so humid out there. This tiny little bottle is a game changer. It's such an affordable product. This comes with like a spray, so you don't have to like take it on a cotton pad and then apply it on your face. All you have to do is just take this and just spray it on your face, and it instantly makes your skin so cool and calm. I get very excited as soon as I just like missed it. So I really like love and adore this product. Number one, it is very affordable. Number two, it is like 100% pure rose water. And number three, it really calms and cools the skin, which is like perfect for summers. So if you're looking for toner, I would really highly recommend that you switch to, rose water, because it really calms the skin and just gives the correct amount of hydration. The next product I have is by Wish Care, and it is their Super Bright C16 vitamin C serum, and this is something it looks like. So this actually comes like in a pump, so it's very easy to get your hands on this. This does take time to show result on your skin. You really have to be like consistent with it. Every day in the morning after you have like applied your toner, you can actually go with the vitamin C serum, and then make sure that you apply a good amount of sunscreen. But coming to this product, this is like very beginner friendly. So if you're someone who wants to get yourself introduced to vitamin C, you can get your hands on this. But having said that, it takes while to show up result, like the one that I used previously, the Claire's one, which is a little expensive, but trust me, it shows result like in a week or two. It's so good. But the problem with that product is the packaging, because it comes like in a glass jar with the pipette kind of a packaging. It kind of oxidizes and it is very expensive. So if it oxidizes, it is of no use. So the packaging is super bad, but the product of that is very good. So when I have that product, I kind of keep it in the refrigerator or in a very dark space, so that it doesn't get oxidized. We really have to take care of that product, you know like your baby, because if it oxidizes, it's all gone. So that's the reason I switched to this one. This was like hyped over the internet, and I thought, let's give it a try, because the ingredient looked really promising. So I got this, but I really tried it. I tried for like 2 weeks. I did not see any result, but eventually after 3 weeks, slowly it starts showing result on your face. So do not get your hope super high with this product. This product will actually last for like good 2 to 3 months for sure, depending on how much you take. 2 to 3 pumps honestly is very okayish. But in case you want to like build up, then you can do that as well. But yes, it is very promising. So be consistent, and it is going to be super great. I really like the way the packaging is done, and also it says it has vitamin C, niacinamide, kojic acid, licorice, fluoric acid, and it also has 4-NBR with an HA. So it's great, very beginner friendly. So in case you want your skin to get introduced to a vitamin C, you can really get your hands on this one. So the next product is obviously a sunscreen. We have to get like the most beautiful sunscreen, the summer edition, because this is something I got introduced. I saw so much on the internet that I was like, you know what, I have to get my hands on it. It is about 3 weeks now that I've been using this product, and I am in love with it. There's there has been time before where there is sunscreen and I'm like, it is going to be so sticky. मुझे नहीं पहनना है. Like, I don't feel like it because it is so heavy. And when I step out, I'm like all sweating. Everything is just coming out. So I really did not like it. But फिर मैंने ये देखा and I was like, मुझे लेकर ही आना है ये. And when I got it, it was like, oh my god. I've done so much videos. I've made so much reels. We've tested it. They claim it actually claims that it get observes in the skin in like 3 seconds. So I've made like shots for that, like experimenting and showing in front of you if that really does observe in the skin in 3 seconds, and it actually does. So go watch that shot also. So I'm talking about this one right here. Now this one is the Be Body Wise product, and it is their ultra light sunscreen with an SPF 50 plus with a PA3 pluses. It has zero white cast and it is actually made with an anti-acne technology. I so love this product because number one, it is made with a new age filters, which means that it is going to be on the top layer of your skin and it is not going to get inside your bloodstream and disrupt your hormones. That's the reason I completely love it. Number two, it does get observed in the skin so well and within 3 seconds. That is something that they claim. I tested it out and I can bet you on it that it gets absorbed in the skin in like 3 seconds. Number three, it is so lightweight. You don't even feel like you're wearing a sunscreen. I've worn it like right now, and you would not feel that oiliness and uh, heaviness on my skin because it is so lightweight. I really love that. And it also comes with an SPF 50 with a PA3 pluses, so that's also great. So it is actually said that more number of pluses, the great the sunscreen is. There are sunscreen in the market which has PA with a 4 pluses, which is also very great, and I really hope that this also comes with that. But with all the different technology that they have made with an anti-acne technology where people with acne prone skin can also use it because it is so lightweight. I'm okay with the PHC pluses, and yeah, all you have to do is reapply after 3 hours. What I especially do is if I've like applied this one, I probably go with like a sun stick or I go with like a sun screen mist, so that when I'm out I really don't want to apply it all over again because you tend to forget. So if you carry like a spray and you've applied like makeup, you can just spray and nothing is gonna move. Even when the sun stick, it is gonna stay intact, your makeup is gonna stay intact. But coming back to this product, it is very beautiful. In summers, if there is one product that I would recommend, would be this one right here because ये इतना प्यारा product है. I really love it. So the next category is a hair care category. Now I think you would already know if you've been following me what two products that I'm going to talk about. But let's talk about it because these products have to go viral for the amazing result it gives. So the number one product I have is by Wishcare, and this is something it looks like. It comes with like this spray which is very convenient. All you have to do is just go here and just spray it and just blend it with your hands on your scalp, and it is just going to do the job. Now what does this do? If you're someone who has like hair loss, like absolutely crazy hair loss, hair fall, you can get your hands on this because it really helps. When I say that, it really helps with your hair fall, and number two, it really helps to get your hair back. There was a time where this part of my scalp basically was like literally I could actually see that this part is like having so much of hair fall. Like ऐसा लग रहा था थोड़े टाइम के बाद ये जगह पूरा bald होने वाला है, like this only part. But when I saw a lot of people raving about it, I thought let me just give it a try and see if this really works. But trust me when I say this, initially when I started using it, I saw so many baby hair. Like now also if you can see, so many baby hair coming up, and I was like, what is happening? And over a month and a half, I saw that this part actually, like, whenever I used to make like a ponytail, I could actually see that this part, the whites, the scalp was seen, and here everything was covered. But after a month or two, it actually my hair felt like all full and healthy. I really love how my hair looks, feels with this is very very promising product. But again, you have to be super consistent with it. It took me about 3 months to understand that it was really helping me with the hair fall as well, because I had crazy hair fall, because I had like PCOD, I believe. So I had like crazy hair fall. I also gained a lot of weight, and so it was very very difficult. But I really did not, I had like zero expectation with this product, but it like lived up to the mark. So I really really love this product. So if you're someone who have crazy hair fall, if you're someone where you see that a part of your scalp is like just going away, you can really get your hands on it. You are going to eventually see so many baby hair, and then you're going to love this product. This is like my second bottle. It goes like a very very long way. All I do is like I use this like twice a week, and that's about it. I don't use it like every day, and yeah, it just does the job. I used to use this like 4 times in a week before, but now I have been sticking to like 2 times a week, and that's about it, because it does do the job, and I really don't want anything more out of it, because there's so much baby hair already. So yeah, I really love this product. So the next product is by IndieWile, and this is something it looks like. Just look at how much I've actually used. Like so much, like I've used so much of it. I really, really love this product. Now, this is super lightweight. I know it is a little expensive, but it is under 1,000 rupees. So I really wanted to include this. It is summers. You really don't want that heavy oil on your scalp, because there is so much controversy that is going on, that if you really need hair oil for scalp, if you really don't need it. But I think once in a while you should apply hair oil to give that nourishment to your scalp, because I don't put this thing over here like on the ends of my hair. I actually use this on my scalp itself, and it is so lightweight. It smells amazing. I like how the packaging is, and it comes like with this pipette thing, which is so damn good, because there is no wastage. You can just take this pipette and just apply it on your as a scalp, and just give like a good massage, and that's about it. It is so good. You will not even feel like you're having basically you're having like oil on your scalp. It is not heavy at all. It smells good, and it really really helps with hair loss. If you're someone who have like crazy hair fall, you can actually get your hands on this one. Now, there are also a lot of people out there who have told me that this hasn't worked for them. For them, what I would want to say is get like a smaller version of it. Okay, try it out. If you really like the product, then go for a larger bottle, because every scalp is different, every human being is different. तो ये सबको सूट करेगा ये ऐसा I don't know, nahi hoga maybe, because everything is so different. But all I want to say is also for myself, मैं हमेशा like एक छोटा bottle लेके आता हूँ, and then I try it on. If I really like the product, then I go for a larger one. If not, then I stick to the smaller version, because that is how it is, because it's so damn expensive that if you end up buying like a bottle which is 1,000 rupees in plus, and if it doesn't work for you, what do? Even though you crib, your money is not going to come back, right? So it is very very important that you do that. Get your hands on it, try it on, but प्लीज़ 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 एक रिक्वेस्ट है दैट बी कंसिस्टेंट. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट नहीं होंगे, लाइक आप महीने में एक बार लगा रहे हो, इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. यूज़ इट लाइक ट्वाइस एटलीस्ट, लाइक मिनिमम ट्वाइस अ वीक। ईदर आप क्या कर सकते हो, रात में लगा सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट गो ऑफ टू स्लीप एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यू वेक अप एंड देन टेक शावर एंड गेट दैट ऑयल आउट। बट अगर आप वो नहीं कर सकते हो तो नहाने से पहले, लाइक बिफोर यू स्टेप इनटू द शावर, you can actually apply this like 20 to 30 minutes prior. Give it like a good massage, let the oil be there for like good 20-30 minutes, and then you go take shower. It will just do the job. You will actually feel how healthy your scalp is. I was someone who just used to take care of my skin and not my hair, and suddenly pata nahi kya ho gaya, I was like, I need to take care of my hair, and I there was something that just came in me and I was like, I have to get certain products, and I got it, and I am टच वुड, टच वुड, टच वुड, बट अभी तक जितने भी मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स लाए स्पेशली फॉर हेयर केयर, इट हैज़ डन लाइक वंडर्स। बट बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंसिस्टेंट होना पड़ेगा। अगर आप बस महीने में एक बार लगाओगे तो ये काम ही नहीं करने वाला है। यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट विथ वट एवर यू गेट एंड देन यू प्रॉबली कैन ब्लेम द प्रोडक्ट और say something about the product. Without being consistent, if you do so, and nothing is gonna actually change. So yeah, with that, I think this part of the hair care is done. Let's move to the body care category quickly. So the number one product I have is this one right here. Now this is my absolute favorite. This is the Vaseline Healthy Bright Gluta Hyaluronic Radiant Serum Pen Lotion. इतना प्यारा नाम है, and plus it has 10x. This is actually 10x more powerful than vitamin C. This is so good. I've applied it on my hands right now. It smells so good, but also I have to say that it stays on your hand, like especially my uh, body for about 3 to 4 hours. That's about it. Then it just goes away because my I am very oily and very sweaty. So probably उसी में वो चला जाता होगा. Like it would just evaporate. That is what I am assuming. But this is so good for summers because it is gel consistency. It really is so beautiful. It's almost done. I have to get my hands on a newer bottle, but let me just show you how it actually looks like. So I've just taken like a little of it. और अब अगर आप देखोगे ये कितना प्यारा ब्लेंड हो जाता है, and it is that okay, this is again very cooling, so I really like this one. I really like products which is like gel consistency, and at the same time when you apply it on your skin, it should really blend in, और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा ऐसा कूलिंग होना चाहिए. So I like those kind of a products. I don't like products which is like very thick and creamy and it takes time to blend, because मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है and मुझसे वो होता ही नहीं है. As soon as I see a cream me product, I'll just run away. I really need something very liquidy, very jelly, and I like that kind of thing. This is really great. Now this has Glutaglow, Hyaluron, and Niacinamide, which really gives you that glowy skin as soon as you apply it, and it really feels super light. So this is like perfect for summers. But yes, this does not have an SPF. So I think Vaseline, Vaseline in general is making like so damn good products. They have recently come up with like it's been like few months, I believe. They have come up with a sunscreen which again is like gel like consistency. So I am thinking of getting that one, so that in summers it makes sense, because I put this and then I top it with a sunscreen. So that is kind of heavy, so I'm going to switch to that and I'm going to give you an update really soon. And moving to the next one, again it's by Vaseline. I don't know, suddenly I have so much of love for Vaseline because of the kind of products that they're introducing, especially for body. Now this is their overnight radiance serum pin lotion. Again, it has Glutaglow, Hyaluron, it has amino peptide complex. Now this I basically use it at night because I think it makes sense. It is basically an overnight radiance, so I use this at night, and this one I use it in the morning. It really gives you that shiny, glowy look. Again, with consistency, you're going to see a lot of difference and change in your skin tone as well. That is something I've observed because my face like my face का कलर डजंट मैच विथ माय बॉडी का कलर, समझ रहा है? तो मेरे बॉडी में हर जगह पे अलग अलग कलर है, तो अभी ये मेरा गोल है दैट आई वांट टू गेट एवरीथिंग लाइक से everything in like a same tone and shade, because क्या होता है ना, we have so much concern and so much importance we give to this part of the body that we end up we don't give importance to our like rest of the body. Basically what I was trying to say is that I really loved these moisturizers, body lotion, basically from Vaseline. I really love them. So if you're someone who's looking for something which is really lightweight for summers, you can get your hands on this, where you can use this in the morning and use this at night. Also, having said that, basically instead of this, you can also use the new variant that is coming with an SPF in it, so that you don't have to top it with a sunscreen later. So that is my take. You can decide for yourself. And yeah, I really love and adore this product. चलो next product move होते हैं. So the next product I have is why Be Body Wise. ये स्क्रब के बारे में तो बात करना ही पड़ेगा, because this has 10% AHA and this is a body scrub. It is actually used to exfoliate the dead skin cell on our body, and it also helps to remove the ingrown hair and tan. तो बेसिकली क्या होता है ना, कभी कभी आप अगर आपके नी एरिया के पास देखोगे ना, तो बहुत स्ट्रॉबेरी स्किन होता है, लाइक लाइक पोकी पोकी स्किन विच एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरी. सो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अनटाइडी लगता है. सो it is for this, and it really helps with your tanning as well. Now ये product जो है, it's very beautiful, very good, and all you have to do is आपको बस ये लगाना है once a week and not more than that. It is not for everyday use, just once a week. I really like this product. Now it says take a handful of body scrub and apply it on your wet body. Gently scrub this in a circular motion and focus this on your neck area, because आपका नेक एरिया इज टेंड टू प्रोन टू डार्कनेस और टैनिंग, तो आपका नेक हो गया, आपका एल्बो हो गया, आपका नीज हो गया, आपका अंडर आर्म्स हो गया, ये सब चीज़ों को मेजरली टारगेट करना है. यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई इट entire body में, but if you had like crazy tanning and pigmentation around these areas, this will really help. All you have to do is, like I said, take a handful of it, apply it on your elbow, and just in circular motion up round and round and round and round for like good 2 to 3 minutes, and just wash it off. It's really nice. It has like very tiny granules out in there, like बहुत ही छोटा ऐसा स्क्रब काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग है, जो आपके बॉडी को बिल्कुल हर्ट और इरिटेट नहीं करेगा. एंड आफ्टर यू हैव यूज दिस, मेक श्योर दैट यू मॉइस्चराइज योर स्किन very well, because once you use like AHAs and BHAs, आपका body and if your face gets to tends to get very sensitive. So you have to make sure that you moisturize and keep it very hydrating. नहीं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाएगा, और ड्राई हो गया तो फिर बहुत ही ज़्यादा इरिटेट करेगा. तो make sure that you stay hydrated and keep yourself very moisturized, if that made sense. Now let's move to the makeup category, which I'm very excited about. So the first product in the makeup category has to be this. Now this is the Nykaa ka Prep Me Up Face Primer. I really like this. Can you see, like I told you, I always get like a smaller version before I get and invest myself in a larger tubes or bottles. This one is so good. I've just used this like thrice because I went for a wedding. Like I got this in November, and November से लेके अभी तक मैंने बस 3 बार use किया. But it actually keeps your फेस सो गुड. आई मीन जैसे आप ये लगाते हो, ये एकदम आपके फेस को ब्लर आउट कर देता है. आपके फेस में अगर जो पोज होते हैं, जो बेसिकली यहाँ पे होते हैं, वो एक्चुअली उसको ब्लर आउट कर देता है. एंड व्हेन यू अप्लाई लाइक अ टिंट, बिकॉज आई लाइक टू अप्लाई अ टिंट और अ कंसीलर, तो जब टिंट लगाते हो फेस पे, तो वो एक्चुअली इतना ब्यूटीफुल लगता है, आपको कुछ लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस रियली, लाइक इट सेज दैट इट टोन्स एंड स्मूदन, and it's perfect. So it really smoothens and really helps to blur out your skin, and then you can apply whatever you want. So you can do that. And I use this very occasionally, but I thought in case you're looking for a primer, you can actually get your hands on this one, because this is really beautiful. And I love how this is so tiny and just goes into your wallet or your purse so beautifully. So I love this one. Moving to another product, I have this one right here. Now, this is a lip balm. So, I use this lip balm at night. Now, this is a blood orange and rose hip organic lip balm, and it has vitamin C rich, and this is used to actually reduce pigmentation. आप ये भूल जाते हो कि सनस्क्रीन आप फेस पे तो लगा लेते हो, but on the lips you don't apply it, and it tends to get super pigmented. So I got my hands in this, but this is such a beautiful product. This is like my second little tiny bottle. I really love how it is, and I really love the smell of it. It is so good, very affordable. This will go for about 6 months for sure. Like a chota sa bottle chala jayega. So I really like this one. So next up, I also have this one right here. ये अभी NMF का एक product है, which is like a brand that nobody actually talks about, but this is such a beautiful product. Now this has SPF 40 plus, so I apply this in the morning and I also applied this at night. Okay, this is something I really like. It is actually used to soften, smooth, and to protect your lips. I really like this product. So if you're someone who's looking for SPF in it, you can actually get your hands on this. I also like the Wish Care variant. I have it, but I think I've just put that in the car because when I travel, I use that. It also comes with an SPF with a PA, I think 3 pluses or 4 pluses. That's also great because it has like a little of pigment, because it has like pink color, so it also gives you like a nice color to your lips, like a pop of color with it also has like sunscreen, so it is also great. I'm gonna put like a picture here because that is something which is my personal favorite, because it really keeps your lips very safe, hydrated, protected, smooth, and it also gives you like a color, like a little of tint. So I really like this. I'm going to put a picture right here, and I'm going to also put the price so that you can see it. So yes, moving to another product, which is, we already spoke about these. So I've got like blushes, because summers and you really don't want to put a lot of makeup out there. You don't want to put like a lot of foundation and concealer and stuff, because I don't, because you're doing like a skincare edition. I have not put like anything on my face. This is something my face actually looks like, which I'm very happy about. So moving to blushes, something that I have is by Prosh Beauty, and this looks like a candy. So my husband the other day said, "ये chocolate क्यों रखा है तूने यहाँ पे?" And I was like, "ये chocolate नहीं, ये blush है." So this is something he said, and I was like just laughing about it. I like how this looks. So this is like more of like coral color. So I have like three different colors. I've got like a little pink, I've got like coral, and like a little bit of like peach tint. So whatever I feel like, I can just apply it. So this is something I really love. I think it is in, this is like Prosh Beauty, and it is written like sweet cheeks, which means it is for your cheek. And I also apply it sometime on my lips, but I mostly use this on my cheek. So this is very great and very affordable. So this is something I like. I'll just give you like a swatch for you to see how it actually looks like. So this is the color, if you can see. I know when I saw this first, I thought that this is not going to suit my skin, but when I applied it, it looked so good. It does have like a little bit of fragrance to it, but I don't mind that. So I really like it. So this is something it looks like, if you can see that. So the next one I have, this is like my personal favorite. This is something that I bought. So the thing was that I really like the Benefit one, but it was so expensive that I ended up buying this, because a lot of creators out there said that this is like a dupe for it. So I got that. So this is something it looks like. Again, this has like a fragrance to it, like all of them have. So this is something it looks like. Last time गिर गया था मुझसे, तो I'm going to show it right here. You see that this like more of pink. So in case you like pink, you can actually go with this. This is really good. um Apart from the smell, I think if you don't mind, you can go with this, because it's really pigmented. As soon as you apply it on your cheeks, you have to make sure that you blend it. Otherwise, वो एक patch रह जाएगा. It is so damn pigmented. With the price, I mean, it is so fab, and I think this is gonna go for like about a year. क्योंकि आपको इतना tiny product चाहिए होता है. You really don't need like so much out there. एक like one स्वाइप जो भी बोलते हैं उसको, उसमें आपका चीक और आपका लिप्स दोनों कवर हो जाएगा, सो दैट इज़ समथिंग आई लव। एंड दिस वन राइट हियर, दिस इज़ बाय के ब्यूटी एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ या दिस इज़ स्वीटहार्ट पिंक का शेड है ये। आई रियली लाइक दिस, सो आई एम गोना जस्ट शो यू द दिस इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग सिमिलर टू द प्रॉश वन, बट ये थोड़ा-सा इसमें ना पिंक टिंट है, या थोड़ा-सा बहुत ही ज़्यादा अ, can you see this one? This has like more peachy tint, I believe, more than pink. So yeah, this is something it looks like. थोड़ा सा darker variant है, but this really looks good on like darker. I mean, someone like me, so I am more into medium skin tones. So it really looks good on me. So I really like it. So this is something the swatches look like. It is really good. It stays on your skin for a very long time. So I really like these three blushes because it is summers. I really don't want to put a lot of product in my on my face, so I end up using like a sunscreen, and then I just top it with like the blush, and then I put the Wish Care ka lip balm which has like a little tint, and that's about it. I'm all good to go. So yes, I think with that we've covered a lot. मुझे I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. I really wanted to do something very different. और अगर आपको वीडियो चाहिए where I talk in Hindi and English, because don't go on my name, मैं pure Indian हूँ and I know to speak in Hindi. I think with the name, the kind of name I have, it people tend to think that I am, I don't know what, but I am basically not an Indian. But if you look at me, I am like a proper South Indian. तो मुझे हिंदी आता है. I'm based out of Pune, so I just wanted to put things out there. If you have any questions regarding products, in case you want to know something about me, you can put that in the comments. I love to chat. Also, if you can come on Instagram, because people do come on Instagram and DM me and we like chat. So I really like that. In case you have any help, in case you need any help, you can just pop that in the comments and I'm going to answer it. And with that, let's end today's video. I really hope you like this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Stay happy and happy summers. Bye bye. Love.